It's around 12:15 and I delayed leaving. I was going to leave earlier, but I thought the town might clean the roads if I waited, and I was wrong. I think maybe they plowed once. Unfortunately, the sidewalks are not plowed. And I hate walking with traffic. I almost never do this, but this is a one-way. I always like walking against traffic so you can see what's coming. A lot of these cars are going way too fast for this conditions. They think they can control the cars. This guy's going reasonable speed, but some of them are going 40 miles an hour on this Christmas trees. Looks like they're almost out. Today is the, see, it's Saturday, so the 17th, I believe, of December. It's extremely cold as well. I think I might have said it already, but I don't know if I said it to the camera or to my father when I was on the phone. I have a layer under my pants. I've got I'm wearing some sweatpants, my pants, and then I have a sweatshirt, my Mexican pullover, and my winter coat. Got 2 pairs of socks on, and I probably should have put another thermal pair on because my feet are a little numb. Unfortunately, the sidewalk here is not shoveled. So I'm just ready to jump over into the bank if I have to. I mean, that's way too fast for these conditions. I need to get some D batteries for the metal detector, which I'm going to try out when I get back. And these are batteries and bulbs. The dollar store about a mile up, well, maybe a half mile up on the right, which is where I'm probably going to buy them, but I'll check this place out. Yeah, this place used to just be Batteries Plus, I believe. Now they're called Batteries and Bulbs. They used to be across the street in that mall, and then this thing was a junker building, and they bought this and fixed it up. Well, I came down to the dollar store. This is, I don't come here enough. Look at all this stuff. I remember the first time I came to the store, because there's a Dollar Tree. No, this is a Dollar Tree. There's a dollar store. I went there, which is close to where I work. And I'd say, how much is this? They'd be like, oh, $5 or $6. So everything there was not $1, but at the Dollar Tree, everything's $1. And I remember the first time I came here, I was like, wow, how much is this? The woman's like, that's $1, sir. And then I was like, oh, how much is this? She's like, sir, it's $1. And I asked her a third time, I'm like, I found this thing that couldn't be $1. So I said to her, I said, how much is this? She's like, sir, everything here is $1. I said, oh, everything. I said, I'm so used to the other place. So if I can buy something here, I do it. So I came here because I needed 9-volt batteries, not 9-volt batteries. So this is $1, so I'm getting 2 packages. And I saw they had this LED light bulb for $1. That's cheap. That's cheap. I can guarantee it costs more than $1 to make that thing. I actually read someplace that even the sales of dollar stores are going down as well, which that's saying something if people can't even afford the dollar store. Oh, flowers. Somebody asked me about this. Who was I talking to? Somebody wanted to get a bunch of flowers. I buy the spray for the bathroom here. Because in the store you'll spend at least $1.50, $2. what I was looking for is I was looking for some little package to give some small things for Christmas. These bags are very nice. But they're too big for what I want to do. Howdy. Okay. Candles. Not candles. This is let's get one. Yep. Yeah, that's the stuff that I bought for $1. The air wick. Probably should. And I buy my soap here for the. Yeah, at the supermarket. This is like $2.50 for that same thing. Generic. We even have Ajax. Plates. Thank you. Dog food. Now I was looking for a car cleaner. Oh, this is squeegee right here. But yeah, that would not hold up against the ice and snow. I had one, and now it's gone. Yeah, the other store has the picture frames, but I think they're more than $1. Sorry. See, the thing you got to be careful when you come into this store, I mean, is that you don't buy too much. Because people have a tendency to buy shit they don't need. Right? Oh, yeah. I'm guilty. Bubble gum. Oh, double bubble. Oh, wow. Boy, I haven't used. When I was over in China, I was considering getting some bubble gum. Yeah, I'm not going to get it though. See, I have a very simple philosophy. If I don't buy it, I can't use it or eat it. Oh, this looks like that stuff you squirt in the string. Yeah, goofy string. Cocoa dusted truffles, Gatorade. Now Gatorade might be $1 in stores now. The generic stuff is. I don't even think the Gatorade in the stores is $1. Do you folks get a discount here?
No.
No. You get it for 70 cents.
Yeah.
Those nice
yeah, it wouldn't
cups.
be much of a discount.
Well, these are going up late, huh?
What's that?
These are going up late?
Oh no, just restocking.
Just restocking.
Mm-hmm.
So they're already sold out. It's a great store.
Yep, it is.
I mean, you guys have such a selection. The only problem is if you see it, you better buy it because it's not guaranteed to be here. That's the other thing. I was talking to one of the managers, and they said that they buy these lots when they come available, and if they're not available again, they're not available again.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
So, all right. Well, have a good Christmas.
You too.
Thank you. I'm actually looking for. What I do is at work, I create these molds for some of my samples, and I use their plastic cases here. Because it's a heck of a lot cheaper to spend $1 for a case than however much, especially when it's destructive testing. See, that's alkaline battery. My calipers are battery died. I just don't remember what the voltage is. I'll have to get that. All right, I'm going to sign off here. Oh, here's some bags here. Small bags, maybe. It's interesting. They have this glass. Because my screen cracked. Interesting. Alright, signing off. Good stuff for oil changes, I think, there. It's where I would bring my scrap. Wanted to collect scrap. Price of copper went south. This place kind of went bust afterwards. Non-ferrous metals came here, copper, aluminum. And I'm pretty sure most of that material was going to China. This is the Valley Street Jail. Yeah, people are in there right now. There's a prison up in Concord for men, and this is supposed to be, I think, lighter offenses, but I know of people who've been in here for months, if not up to a year. Guy used to work next door to me. He had a drug and alcohol problem. I don't know if that's what he was in there for, but he ended up getting out. And he was driving down the road one day, and in New Hampshire there's a lot of these 50-60 mile an hour roads that are 2-lane roads. So you have one car coming towards you as you're going by them, and he supposedly he dropped his cigarette or his whiskey or whatever he dropped as he was going 60 miles an hour, and he bent down to pick it up, and he swerved into the other lane, and he killed 2 or 3 people, and he died as well. Yep, tragic. So when I'm on those roads, you know, you don't have a lot of reaction time when the car's coming at you 50 and you're going 50. Not a lot of reaction time. You see, yeah, I hope to never be in there. It's right next to the graveyard, which I've done a video on before. Very old graveyard there.